Hey, so from the practice test, we have this question here about mean imputation. And the idea when writing this is that you could do it by hand, obviously, to impute the A here. You would just use the mean of these other entries, so it's just the mean of 18, 18 and 1. 18, 18 and 1 is 37 divided by 3, which would be 12 and a third, so that would be the answer. But we could also do this in R, if we wanted as well, and the important thing is getting the data into R quickly. We don't want to have to type this out manually because, of course, we might make a mistake. So we could get that into R by using the datapasta package, datapasta. So if you just select all the entries in the table and copy it to the keyboard, I've used Control-C, but you could right-click and copy. And then if you swing into R and load the data and install the datapasta package, then what this gives is a couple of add-ons. So now if I create a new R script, so what I want to do is paste the content in here. Now obviously pasting the content directly from the table isn't useful because that doesn't get me it into a data frame or anything. But if you click under add-ins, we've now got paste as triple or paste as data frame. So if I do that, then if we run this, we've got the data in R directly. So I could save that as D. Okay, and then I could go D, do it up here in case I make a mistake, which is likely. So we want to mutate across everything and convert to numeric. We've got to load the tidyverse. Obviously, I would at least have datapasta installed before I started the test so that this is a bit quicker, but you get the idea. So that gets the NAs. You could also do replace all to get them into NAs. And then so we've got DNA here, which has the NAs, and now I'm just going to load the Narnia package and impute mean all. Okay, so I can see the answers are 12 and a third, which I computed earlier, 6 and a third, and what was the other one? 7. Okay, so that's how you could do it. Of course, you could do it by hand as well, so you could go mean of 18, 1, 18 to work out that first value, and mean of 12, 5 and 2 to work out the second one, close the bracket off, and so on and so forth. But copying and pasting the data across is perhaps a little bit more efficient. And this would work if you wanted to do k-nearest neighbors as well, or whatever, right? Always look for the fast way of doing things though, because doing it in an R may well be slower than just doing it in your head or doing it with a calculator.